Friends, again we are on a story. The bird with two heads. It is interesting story and amazing story. A great bird named Barunda lived on the banks of a lake. He had two heads but a single body. One day, as the bird was wandering on the bank of the lake, he found a fruit which was delicious as ambrosia. One of his head mumbled, "Oh, what a fruit! I am sure the heaven have sent it for me. I am so lucky." Hearing this, the second head said, "Oh, brother, let me also taste the fruit you are praising so much." The first head laughed and said, "Both of us have the same stomach. It makes no difference whether I eat it or you eat it. I shall give it to our beloved. She will be very happy." Barunda Deus gave the fruit to his wife. The second head was disappointed at these actions of the first head. One day, the second head found a poisonous fruit and told the first head, "You are treacherous fellow. For what you have done to me, I will eat this poisonous fruit and avenge your insult." The second head said, "You fool! If you eat that, both of us will die, because we have the same body." Ignoring his warning, the second head ate the poisonous fruit and both of them died. So, moral story about it, sharing of a good thing with other is always good. Thank you for watching my story. Again, if my story are very interesting for you, you can subscribe my channel